Look, when we say how did rediscovery of Mauryan Empire help Indian leaders of 19th century? So if we talk about the Indian leaders of 19th century, these were the leaders who were trying to develop the idea of nationalism among them. They were trying to show that you are not meek and gentle and just able to do the manual labor, you are primitive. No, they were trying to make them more confident, more stronger, so that they can stand against the British rule. They can fight for. So if you could relate in class 10, you all must have read that how the nationalism, when we were using how nationalism was developed among the people. So this was one of the way they had adopted, along with using the images and figures, then symbols and icons, or we talk about the our uh, folklore, or we talk about then history. So there, that is a connect over here, that this Mauryan Empire was also rediscovered the same time when the leaders were trying to inculcate the feeling of nationalism. So how it helped? So like she has brought idea of administration, the first point given by her. She says the leaders of 19th century got good reference and ideals to follow, such as capital territories, provincial government, trade and communication. Okay. Secondly, national emblem. The leader could decide about the national emblem of India using the symbol. Third, wide spectrum. Uh, Mauryan Empire gives a full package of information. Okay, I said close to the answer, but that concrete demand needs to be felt. So when we say yes, through the Mauryan Empire, they were able to bring the ideology of non-violence, because so many rocks and pillars they have found with the information about the, like she was talking about spectrum. Wide spectrum means these were the ancient rulers, and it was to show that during that time these were Indian rulers who were having the administrative capabilities. So it means that Indians by birth, Indians genetically, they have the capability of being the leaders. So each one is a leader in itself. This idea has to be fed in the each mind of our country, right? So that way you have to explain here. Uh, you can even talk about that grandeur of the Mauryan Empire, that India is not a poor country. India has been plundered, so it has become poor country. But India was under the Indian rulers. India has developed and touched the height of development, because during the Mauryan time, in the development, each area has developed to its maximum, either its architecture, literature, painting, language, everything has developed to the height. So it was that India was a developed country, and that was made by the Indians. So since you are also the Indians and you have this similar ideology, similar principles and similar thought process, you can also be the same. So major idea was to develop the confidence among these people. So that way you have to reframe the answer, right? Am I able to make you understand what is the demand of the question? Because everybody is close to that. Like Aditya has also mentioned here, India was then under colonial rule and was a part of British Empire. The evidences show that there must have been an empire in India, both challenging and exciting. But this fact you have mentioned, Aditya, very true. But you need to connect this fact to the need of the leaders. That how it was helpful for the Indian leaders. Right? So this question, that's why I said it is higher order thinking, where you need to connect the facts with the need. Right? So everyone has to make minor changes in the language, like Devika has also mentioned challenging empire, then reconnect to the past. Yes, this point is good one. Some of the archaeological finds associated with Mauryans were considered spectacular art typical of empire, which help people to reconnect to their past. True. Somehow you have connected that. Then Ashoka was powerful and humble, and Indian leaders found in him an inspiring and motivating figure to fight back and yet stay humble. True. So this is the way we want to connect. In the similar way, you need to connect the first point also, Devika, right? So some minor changes are required, otherwise you are very close to that, right? So we are able to answer three questions here. Yeah, wanna say something, somebody? Okay, so I think we have taken extra time. Take few minutes for yourself and be back in political science class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
और अब किसी को बताएंगे कैसे कि हाँ कैसा है हमने, लेकिन फिर हमने थोड़ी सी और मेहनत करते हैं, थोड़ी दूर और लेके चल रहे